Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make ham macaroni salad, an easy guide to a classic dish. This creamy, savory salad is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a simple weeknight meal. We will walk through gathering your fresh ingredients, cooking the macaroni to perfection, preparing a delicious dressing, and finally, chilling the salad to let all those wonderful flavors meld together. Get ready to create a crowd-pleasing dish that everyone will love with just a few simple steps. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, which is about 2 cups dry. For the ham, dice 1 cup of cooked ham into small, bite-sized pieces. Add 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for a delightful crunch and 1/4 cup of minced red onion for a subtle zing. For the creamy dressing, prepare 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Finally, have salt and black pepper ready to season to your taste. Now let's prepare our delicious salad. Cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until al dente, then drain and rinse with cold water to cool. In a large bowl, combine the cooled macaroni with 1 cup of diced ham, 1/2 cup of chopped celery, and 1/4 cup of minced red onion. For the dressing, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix well. Season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. The final, crucial step is chilling. Cover your macaroni salad tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for a minimum of 1 hour. This chilling time is essential as it allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious taste. Before serving, give the salad a gentle stir. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a touch of color if you like. Serve this delightful ham macaroni salad as a refreshing side dish or a light, satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.